Hello. So we are back, yeah, Monday morning. It's around 10:30, yeah, and we have a job. Okay, we have a laptop. Let's test it. Plug the charger. We have no lights here, and even if we press the power button, still no lights, nothing. It's just that, yeah. Now, how do you know what's the problem? Because obviously you have a customer who give you this, and you have to diagnose and give him the price, yeah. So how do we know how we can give to the customer the right diagnostic, yeah? Remember, I made some video before with the way how you check the things, yeah? So it's not the charger because I checked the customer charger. But what about if it is the charging port? Or what about if it's the motherboard? Because you cannot put same price on a charging port compared with the motherboard, yeah? Remember? So what we spoke about, how we are testing the things. Multimeter, how we are checking the charging port, if the charging port is good or not, yeah? You go on the diode mode, yeah? And we have the charging port there, yeah? It's a round charging port. By the way, this is a Asus X502 yeah? That's the model of the laptop. So we are taking the ground from, we can take from USB or for HDMI port, that's not important. And you check with the middle pin first. And with the middle pin is nothing, yeah? So we are switching the wires, yeah? Ground, middle pin, and we have some reading, yeah? You can see there? So we have some reading there. That's mean it's not we have some reading or not. Probably I touch the ground, and here is the middle. Okay, here is nothing. Maybe it is the charging port. Here is nothing. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. So we have nothing on the middle pin, yeah? What about on the ground? On the ground, we have there somewhere the ground, and it's 0, that's normal, that means the ground is connected. But the plus, let me check with the other multimeter, yeah? You can't see this multimeter. But you know what? That's why I don't trust this that multimeter. So on this one I have a reading, yeah? On this one I have nothing. So I don't believe it's the charging port. This is the multimeter which is on screen now. This is terrible, yeah? So if you go and check for the Hantec USB multimeter, don't buy it. It's just, I'm so disappointed. I bought that one to have on the screen reading. So this is showing me nothing on the middle. Nothing, yeah? But I don't believe it's the charging port, that's the thing. I don't believe. Maybe it is, but I have reading with other multimeter, yeah? So if you have reading on the both pins from the charging port, yeah? Probably your charging port is good. But let's open and check, let's see. Because I checked this laptop and I booked in the job like being some motherboard issue. Or maybe I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, it's good for the customer, he will pay less. Usually I'm not wrong. Usually. Take out the touchpad, take out the keyboard. And we have the charging port on board. Let's see, let's plug the charger. Let's check the voltage. The other multimeter. Volts. Ground. Plus. And we have 19, exactly what I told you. The charging port is good. What do I will check first? Yeah. First, I will go on any power supply, and you can see we have here some MOSFETs. Like here, one MOSFET, another MOSFET, another, and we have the capacitor. You know, the big capacitor. So I'll check if my 19 volts power rail is present. And we have 19 there on the screen, you can see, so we have 19. Okay, if you have 19, the next step, what I will do, I will check the 3.3 volts power rail, and obviously you can't see any chip, you can't see nothing here, so I'll go and I'll check on the power button. That's the easy way to check for the 3.3, yeah? That's the power button here. Here is nothing. And here is 3.2. Yeah, so I know for sure my 3.3 volts power rail is up and running. Yeah, so in this case, this is a weird one. No charging, no coming on. What I will try, let's take out the battery. We have any BIOS battery here somewhere? Probably not. Probably not. Let's plug the charger now. And we have light. You can see the charging light here. And if we press the power, we have power. Yeah, and the laptop is working fine. So again, let's take this out. Let's plug the battery back. Okay, let's plug the charger and we have light. You can see here light. Let's press the power and it's working fine. That's what I call like a frozen Super I/O chip, yeah? So actually the laptop is working fine. But probably the Super I/O chip was frozen and it was not reading the power button, was not doing anything because we didn't have the light, yeah? We checked before. Okay, okay, this is another weird job. I can't believe, you know, starting the video say, look, we have a dead motherboard. That's a good reason for a video. Yeah, but anyway, if you have this laptop, you know, you search on YouTube. I will leave the model number on the video so the people can find the video. You can fix this problem just taking out the battery, plugging back the battery, and you have your laptop working, yeah? Okay? Good, everything is working fine, yeah? So I'll stop now because it's a waste of time job. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one, yeah? Bye.